Okay, so let's continue. Naputol kanina yung video. So we are at the joint C. So sa joint C, we have drawn the correct sense of the unknown forces, FBC and FAC. Ito is na-verify na natin from the previous joint. Ang lumabas is, ang BC is compression, a compressive force, so pushes on the pin. So that's why we draw it like that. So FBC dito is 707.1 Newton. So ang gagamitin natin is summation of force along X para makuha yung FAC diretso. Kahit hindi na natin muna makuha yung RC because hindi naman siya yung concern. Ang concern is to determine the forces in each member. So we have positive FBC cosine of 45 degrees and then minus FAC or CA, same lang yan class, mabaliktad yung letters BC or CB. So equals to 0. Now we know what is FBC, that is 707.1 Newton, and if we solve for AC, it will become 500 Newton. So 500 Newton, positive siya, it means to say that based on our FBD, yung assumption sa, hindi assumption kasi ito nag-inspect na tayo. Based on our FBD, away from the pin siya, so ibig sabihin, tensile or tension yung force dyan. So you have T. So, i-box lang natin, we have, yan. So this is the answer for problem number 1. Member BC, ito yung force niya, compression. Member BA or AB, ito yung force niya, 500 Newton, and it is in tension. And then member AC or CA, 500 Newton in tension. So if you want to solve for RC, you can do that by summation of forces along Y. So that's for problem 1. Let's proceed to problem 2. So this is problem 2. So ano ba yung sa problem 2? Again, we are to determine force in each member of the truss and indicate if the members are in tension or compression. So using ulit method of joints. Method of joints. Ang kagandahan din sa method of joints, makukuha natin talaga yung bawat forces in each member kasi step by step tayong nagmo-move from one joint to another. So kaya yung mga tanong din natin dito under method of joints is yung mga forces lahat in each member of the truss yung pinapahanap. Okay, again, always indicate kung tension ba or compression. So, meron tayong support reactions coming from point A, so isang ruler and a pin. Now, saan tayo pwedeng mag-start na joint? Dapat at least one known force and at most 2 unknown forces. So, sa joint D ba pwede? So, hindi, no? Lahat yan unknown forces yung nandyan. Sa kuan kaya, hindi rin pwede sa, saan ba maganda? Masyadong marami sa joint B na unknown. So, I think much better to start with joint C. Kasi sa joint C, you have one known force, 400 Newton, and then dalawang unknown force which is force CD and force CB. So, dyan tayo mag-start. So, starting with joint C. So, this is joint C. So, sa joint C, meron kayong 400 Newton. Tapos, yung 4CD, ano ba siya? Tension or compression? And then yung 4CB, tension or compression. So, dito, mag-start na tayong mag-assume na lang. Kasi diba, ayon sa dalawang possible methods that we can do, yung sa method number 1, pag complicated na, hindi mo na kayang i-inspect, you can assume na lang. Okay? So, pwedeng mamali tayo ng pag-draw ng correct sense. So, assume lang in first. So, itry natin ngayon. So, let's say, ang in-assume ko, yung FCD is papunta dito. FCD. While yung FCB naman is papunta dito. Even though, kung ma-analyze nyo yan, pwedeng mali siya, pwedeng tama, basta in-assume lang natin yan. Ayaw lang natin sumakit yung ulo natin sa pag-inspect. So, we have FCB. Yan. Okay. So, ano yung angle dito sa FCB? If this is 45 degrees, this is also 45. So, 45 degrees dito. So, ano yung pwede nating unahin? Summation of forces along Y. Muna tayo. Try natin. So, we'll have along Y, negative 400 Newton. And then, plus FCB, cosine of 45 degrees. Cosine of 45 degrees and equals to 0. FCB cosine of 45 degrees. Then, ano pa? Ma-compute na yung FCB. So, ang lalabas using your calculator, it's 566. So, i-try ko negative 400 plus FC cosine 45 equals to 0. 566 yan. Newton. So, positive yung lumabas. So, ibig sabihin, tama yung nasa FBD. So, it's compression. So, lagyan natin ng its nature is compression. So, we box that one. After FCB, mag-summation of forces along X tayo, may makukuha tayo na isa, yung CD. X equals to 0. So, positive. So, you will have negative FCD, then minus FCB sine of 45 degrees equals to 0. So, we'll have ang FCB, alam na natin, it's 566. So, ang lalabas na FCD is negative 566 sine of 45, negative 400. Negative 400 Newton, ibig sabihin, yung na-assume natin dito, kasi hindi tayo nag-inspect, kasi gusto natin mapadali yung buhay, so, i-reverse, dapat i-reverse. So, compression dapat siya instead of tension. So, you will write FCD equals to 400 Newton. So, compression. So, C. Okay? So, we have determined FCD and FCB. So, saan naman tayo pwedeng mag-move na joint? So, saan nyo gusto? We can move at joint D. Joint D na lang. Kasi dito sa joint D, known na to. So, 1 known force and then 2 unknown forces. So, you have joint D. So, sa joint D, we have yung FCD is dapat compressive. So, pagpunta dito sa joint D, dapat pushing on the pin also para maging compressive. So, FCD equal siya sa 400 Newton. Then, yung dalawa, yung FDB, ito, at saka FDA. So, i-assume natin, kasi ayaw natin sumakit yung ulo natin. So, let's say, ito yung FDA. So, tensile lang pag-assume natin, while the other one is compressive, that is FDB. FDB. Yan. So, yung angle, ano ba yung mga angle para makuha natin yung mga components mamaya? If this is 45, it means to say 45 din dito. 45 plus 45 is 90, plus 90 magiging 180. So, this is 45 degrees. Then, yung FCD, FBD, or FDB, 30 degrees daw siya dito. So, if 30 degrees dito, this is also 30 degrees. So, 30 degrees. Then, ang natira dito is 90 minus 45 minus 30. So, 15 degrees. So, ang orientation ko pa rin ng X and Y axis is still the vertical na Y and X. Yan. So, let's say, unahin natin yung summation of forces along X equals to 0. So, positive to the right. So, if that's the case, ano-ano yung forces along X? We have joint D. Si 400, so negative siya. Negative 400. Then, minus si DB. Si DB, negative rin. FDB, cosine of 30 yan. Then, si FDA, positive, plus FDA, kuan yan, FDA cosine of 45. Yun lang ba? So, equals to 0. So, this is two equations. Two equations dapat kasi two unknowns. So, kulang pa ng isa. So, let's have summation of forces along Y equals to 0. So, upward. So, ano sila? You have negative FDA. Negative FDA sine of 45. Pababa. Then, yung FDB is positive. Positive FBD or FDB, sine of 30. Then, yun lang. FDB sine 30, then FDA sine 45, so equals to 0. So, using our equation mode sa calculator, we can solve for FDA and FDB. So, kindly solve also. So, I will try in the calculator. We have cosine 45, negative cosine 30, 400, then negative sine 45, sine 30, 0. So, ang FDA is negative 772.74 Newton ang lumabas. And then, for dB, negative 1092.82 Newton. So, they are all negative. Ibig sabihin, mali lahat yung na-assume natin na sense. So, i-correct natin. FDA is 772.74 Newton. So, ito siya. So, hindi daw siya tensile but compressive. So, you will write compressive. So, you have that one. Then, yung FDB naman. So, FDB, 1092.82 newtons. So, reverse dapat sa na-assume natin. So, if it's compression, kailangan tensile. So, T. So, i-box natin. So, yan. Nakuha na natin yung dB and dA. Saan yun? Ito pala. dA. Wait lang. Erase natin to. Bakit hindi siya ma-erase? Ayan. So, tapos na natin yung dA and yung dB. So, ang hindi lang natin nakuha is yung sa AB, force sa AB. So, doon tayo titingin sa joint A. So, joint A tayo. So, considering joint A, you have joint A. So, ano-ano yung nag-a-act sa joint A? Isang reaction coming from the roller, so RA, and then force due to member DA, which is nakuha natin compression. So, compression din natin dito sa joint A. So, FDA, which is equal to 772.74 Newton. Then, yung sa AB or BA, so, by inspection, it's compressive para ma-counter yung positive X component ng DA. So, you have FBA. Then, para makuha yung FBA, summation lang tayo. Forces along X equals to 0. Kasi dyan makikita yung, or dyan ma-include yung unknown force in member BA. So, you have negative FBA, then plus 772.74. So, yung X component niya, that is what? Cosine or sine? So, cosine of 45 degrees, so equals to 0. So, solving for BA, you will have 546.41 Newton. So, positive siya. So, ibig sabihin, tama yung nasa FBD natin. So, it's compressive. So, yan yung answer sa problem number 2. We have determined the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unknown forces in each member of the truss, and we also determine its nature, tension ba or compression.